In addition to doing my own productions, I often work with large production companies all over the country. A while back, I got to work on a really fun shoot for a TV commercial for the City of Rosemont. Big Shoulders brought me in to do Steadicam work and drone work over a 2-day period where we filmed a bunch of different content in their entertainment district. The first night was a Chicago Dogs game where I captured a bunch of footage of the game and the stadium and the surrounding area. The second day, we captured footage at a hotel, and then we moved over to the entertainment district where we captured some footage of actors in a restaurant scene, a bar scene. We captured dueling pianos at one of their dueling piano bars there. And then I also captured some Steadicam footage of the Rockin' in the Park. They had a 80s metal band that was pretty cool. And we finished off the shoot with a fireworks show where I captured a bunch of drone footage of the fireworks show that just turned out awesome. So here's a little bit of the footage I captured for them. They loved it, and it worked really well in the commercial. If you're a production company and you're looking for a DP that offers a wide range of services, I can handle camera work, Steadicam work, drone work, FPV work, lighting, all that kind of stuff. So I'd love to talk to you. So reach out. Let's have a conversation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on set.